If you're a student in 2025, you already know the struggle. Tuition keeps climbing, rent's ridiculous, and that iced coffee addiction? Yeah, it's not helping either. I was in that exact situation, juggling classes, a part-time job, and a never-ending list of expenses. I needed a way to make money that didn't burn me out, and after trying a bunch of different side hustles, I finally figured out how to make over $1,000 a month consistently without sacrificing my grades or social life. So today, I'll break down exactly what worked, what didn't, and how you can start earning real money as a student in 2025, whether you live in the US, Canada, or anywhere else. Stick around till the end. I'll even share my simple system for managing that money smartly so you don't just make more, you keep more. Segment 1, the reality of student life. Let's be real, student life today is expensive. According to the Education Data Initiative, the average student in the US spends between $1,200 to $1,500 a month just to survive. That's rent, food, transport, and a little bit of fun. Now, add tuition and textbooks, and you can see why most students are broke by mid-semester. The problem with traditional part-time jobs is that they're inflexible. Your boss doesn't care about your exam week. So I started experimenting with side hustles, flexible, digital-friendly gigs I could do on my own time. Some failed miserably, but a few actually worked, and that's what I'm about to show you. Segment 2, the 5 side hustles that actually worked. 1. Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. First, freelancing. I started with zero experience. My first gigs were basic, PowerPoint design, simple Canva templates, and editing resumes. At first, I charged $10 to $20 per project. Nothing crazy. But within 2 months, I was averaging around $300 a month just from freelance work. The key? Build a clean profile, use strong keywords in your gig titles like student-friendly presentation design or affordable resume makeover. And here's a secret, even if you're new, focus on fast delivery plus good communication. Clients care more about reliability than years of experience. 2. Tutoring online. Next, tutoring. If you're good at any subject, math, English, economics, whatever, you can earn real money tutoring online. I joined Wyzant and Chegg Tutors and taught economics to high schoolers. The pay ranged between $25 to $40 per hour, and I made around $250 a month tutoring just 2 to 3 evenings a week. It's not just about money, it also improves your communication skills and confidence. 3rd, delivery apps. On weekends, I'd do a few hours with DoorDash or Uber Eats. It's flexible, simple, and if you plan your hours during peak times, Friday night, Sunday afternoon, you can easily make $200 to $300 per month. Bonus tip, use gas cashback apps like Upside or GetUpside, small savings that add up. 4th, selling digital products. This one blew my mind. I uploaded my own class notes, Notion templates, and Excel trackers on Etsy and StudySoup. At first, I made $20 here, $30 there, but then one of my Excel budget templates went mini viral. It started earning me about $100 passive income every month, literally while I slept. That's when I realized digital products are digital assets. Build once, earn forever. 5. Virtual assistant / remote internships. Finally, virtual assistant and remote internships. I help small business owners with research, email replies, and scheduling. Most paid between $15 to $25 an hour, and I found gigs through LinkedIn, RemoteOK, and Indeed. It's a perfect blend. You make money, gain real experience, and build professional references for the future. Segment 3, how I manage my money the smart way. Okay, now let's talk about what I did after I made that money, because making $1,000 a month is great, but if you spend it all on fast food and Amazon, you're back to square one. I use the 50-30-20 rule. Super simple. 50% for essentials, rent, food, transport, 30% for savings or investments. I use SoFi and Acorns. 20% for fun. Yes, enjoy your money too. This balance kept me disciplined but not miserable. Segment 4, true reality. Here's the truth. None of these side hustles will make you rich overnight. But if you're consistent, in 3 to 6 months, you'll build skills, savings, and confidence most students never have. It's not about luck, it's about momentum. I started with 0 followers, 0 clients, but now I earn enough to cover my rent and even invest a little every month. And if I can do it, so can you. So start small, pick one hustle, and commit to it for a month. You'll be surprised how far it takes you. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Comment below, which side hustle are you trying first? I reply to every comment for the first 48 hours. And subscribe to ARizz Edutainment. I post videos about making money, managing finances, and building real financial freedom as a student. Let's make 2025 the year you stop being broke and start building your money mindset. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.